So I'm Niles Deneen, and my family's business is Deneen Pottery, and we specialize in producing custom handmade mugs. What makes us special is that each and every single mug is hand thrown on a potter's wheel and adorned with a custom medallion. So to differentiate yourself in the marketplace, sometimes it's necessary to put your brand on something that is going to last forever, and I don't think that there's anything more beautiful than a custom handmade mug. Hook Agency has been instrumental in helping us stay focused on our SEO targets, as we're focused on producing the best custom handmade mugs, making sure that we're hitting targets for our SEO and that we're driving the right traffic to our site, which is going to help us find the right customers. There's no way we could do it without Hook. One of the areas of deficiency that we noticed on our website was our keyword searches. I was doing the best I could with the blogs and trying to find the words that best matched what we were trying to do, that we were really falling behind. But once we sat down with Hook Agency, they showed us that systematically through time we were able to target our keywords, and thankfully we've seen a big rebound, and now we're back to where we were and surpassing. Super happy.